Hello, welcome back to today's video. I will be showing you how to add special characters on your iPhone. So all you have to do is press and hold on the letter that you want to add special characters on. As you can see, vowels have accents that are commonly found in foreign languages. So here I'm just testing out O and showing you all the accents that are available. Next, I. And now I'll be showing you special accents available in punctuation. If you press and hold on 0, a degree symbol will appear, and on the question mark, an upside down question mark will appear. If you press and hold on the $sign, other currency symbols will appear. So that's all I have for you today. I hope this tutorial helped you. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, list them in the comment section down below and I will happily answer them for you. If you would like more tutorial videos, leave any suggestions that you have in the comments below also. Thank you again for watching and see you next time. Bye!